Yep. Drop attempt. I'm being zesty, I don't know why. Play speed, I need this. What? I'm getting dumb devs, bro. Please don't choke. Please. I forgot about that click! I knew it would kill me. Bro, I forgot about that click. Nah, I was not even close. I was not even close. Mana G, you suck. That makes perfect sense. I'm actually surprised I never died there. That's a really hard click. That hurts a lot. Wait till 86. That makes perfect sense. I think if I didn't click, I would have gotten it. Father, I'm gay. I'm gay! Fuck! I am extremely unlucky. What the fuck? I knew it. I'll die everywhere, bro. Every last click of the drop, I will die too. Please, please, please. I beg you. Ah! I'm getting so fucking unlucky. All that just to be not. All that just like to not be first victor. How did I die, bro? I don't even remember. And I don't wanna know. I'm getting so fucking lucky. It's getting like... It's getting laughable at that point. I'm just pathetic. I mean, I've never had that much fails. On a run I want to accomplish in shardscapes, and that's not a run, like that's a completion. Anyways, ship attempt. Drop attempt. Please, Pete, I need this. I fucking can't take this no more. Okay, where will I now? Yes! 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 No, I fucking got unlucky there. I can't take it no more. I got very unlucky. Alright, let me tell you my fails, even though you probably see them at the start of the video. I got 97, 96, 94, 86 two times, 93, 80, 78, 77, 74, 73, 56, and even more deaths in between. I got like 40 drop attempts. I was so unlucky with this stuff. Despite me being unlucky, I can like it was pretty fun. Samazuu is really good at making levels. Samazuu is really good at making levels. Okay. So that's definitely a medium demon. Alright, am I the first victor? Am I the first victor? I'm the first victor? I think I am. I am? I think I am. Oh. I don't know. I mean, I'm the first recorded victor. Okay, so, attempt count. Let me pull out my calculator, the Saint calculator. 134 plus 58. Only 192? I went on for like 2 hours of this gameplay. I think it took me a longer time to beat this than Serial Blizzard. Okay, well, we're just gonna have to take sword for it. Okay, so GG, 192. I will speak French. I will write in French because the creator is French. I'll probably translate it for you all, don't worry. Okay, so apparently accidents are not, Okay, so let's say GG, 192 attempts. I got like 30 or 40 drop attempts. I really wasn't lucky at all. Okay. GG.